Semo yechigosoli habarai amona Abatiotereri NIGO BAENEKIRIE gose NIGO habarai amona Abatiotereri bikirabu gia Shabana NIGO baorokirie obwanchani bw'abogocha ase ekirabu ekyo ase okoenekia amachiwa manke ESEASON yeyiga bono NIGO mulikyo monene w'ekirabu ekyo ayenekirie kubeka emiroberio barabekirie gokonya ekirabu ekyo kogendera gokoria buya ase nsemo y'Abatiotereri NIGO BAENEKIRIE OKOEGENA KWABO nga Shabana NECHIE kubwa ebyegwa ase ESEASON EGOCHA omulikyo ito Daniel Omwaga Suarez na roboti rwase weme
magega ye klabu gya Shabana FC kubwa egosori yabo ekiraba gosoine klabu gya Bidco United bono niga Abatiotereri abe klabu gya Shabana FC chinsagi ao imeyense ya Kenya bakora unorosagiro retwe Aribigo City Road branch igatiye chinsagi inde unerosagiro Mombasa Road branch amona Ruiru main branch niga bono besokina kwenekyo kwegena kwabo inge klabu ekiro kira chikomesa na gakora buye season yegocha Okwana masa ya monegeta seni gen Soko TV ikyo mannewe klabu gya Shabana FC Daktari Elsavan Kerama nigo ayenekiringa gweke klabu kechokora maunchoreria elio kwene kinga nkomesa bana gakora buya season irache season yo mwaka w'2025 nomo wiko mwaka w'2025 nebere.
Okay, for the next season, I think let's finish this season first, so that we can see what to do next season. We have to do. Currently, we are reviewing our structure, our philosophy, reviewing our playing unit, and I think everything is gonna be okay. I can't predict much about next season. We have to finish this season first and do a quick review. When we say we are going to do a quick review, I mean in terms of the structure from technical base, the playing unit, from organization, from the branch levels, so that we point out some gaps we have identified in the course of the season.
Omorendie gori we klabu ekyo gya Shabana FC Steven Ochieng oyue omanyakaine mo na TJM oyue bono bwire kegwa keria kya Golden Glove ose goalkeeper beke kinsi chinga kabisa ase ligi ye season yeye nigayane kiribuna omokia gati ya n'abagosori bande norokorere klabu ekyo korabuya na neko mobeka siri bagali yali okobwa Golden Glove.
I'm proud of myself. I have achieved my targets, but above all I'm grateful to God kwa sababu ni alinipatia this chance and opportunity to be here, and I'm healthy. I'm grateful. Teamwork. Singepata hii kama si teamwork. So it's teamwork and fighting spirit and a strong mentality.
Egati y'Abatiotereri bande byata be klabu ekyo nigo bayenekiringa Shabana nigo yatwarire season yerengiya na nigo barokyo gasemere kwabo ninga nigo era chikomesa omochakano bwe season yenyi ase bamwakerambu yamono mu goalkeeper TJM asoko bwekegwa kerekya Golden Glove mega yokobeka chikinishiti combination mo season yeye.
Greater happiness commander, they call me Happy. Shabiki ya Shabana Thika Road branch, and we are looking forward to our next season yenye iko more productive, very positive about it, and we know we are coming to the league next season to win the league, to win the Mozart, because we are so excited and we keep on supporting our boys to achieve their goals. So today tumepata 16 clean sheets and we're so excited about it. We have the Golden Glove and for us it means a lot. To TJM, congratulations, keep shining. Personally, as your fan, I'm so proud of you.
Omuganda Abatiotereri bande be klabu ekyo gya Shabana FC nigo bono baganie klabu ekyo komenta bagosoli abanyia busio bwisoni nyegocha nonye nigo batendete neni na kurege tindi gochi Abatiotereri be klabu chinde asaba enekiringa ego ikaisoni nyegocha bachiko imokia bekombe ekyo bagokwana sabamo nigo batebire na gotero komo Shabana neyemo.
Kwa majina naitwa Isaac Ayusa. Mimi ni member wa TRB Shabana branch Thika Road. So far naweza sema season imeisha. Next season I'm sure management itasign players wazuri and then you can be able to compete for the league. We are one of the biggest teams in Kenya. As much as kuna Gor Mahia, AFC, Shabana is one of the biggest teams. History also remembers Shabana. na I'm warning them next season it's going to be business, haitakuwa business kama kawaida, it will be business not as usual.
Mbarambare nayo bono nigo morikyo manne we klabu ekyo amwera ne irembo yamana omwara ibwense Daktari William Samoei Ruto asoko basira chinsemo awe season yeye anene osoko batumbo motoromba bwe basi nabayigo oko bacishiringi chimilioni 10 asakiro chikomenta chimilioni 10 osoko egendereria gwikane meroberi imoye klabu ekyo.
On behalf of Shabana family, we appreciate what the president has done to Shabana family. From what he has done, it is going to help us in terms of clearing some days, bringing in some kind of stability within the team. And I challenge all the leaders, whoever feels that he has an hand to support the team, this is the right time.
Una enchira ya moyo kworokia wanchani bwabo bono Abatiotereri abange bano OKOEGENA nga club ekiongo chika korabu ya anane season EGOCHA ekalezo ni yega tige chika salibere chyo okwana geteseni gen soccer TV manya NIGO morikyo mane we club ya Shabana FC ni bane kebuna emeroberi babekire miya eri kwana kya machibwa maya anane kala season EGOCHA ngobotari geteseni gen soccer TV koroga igai mega sero kya wanguru county ya Kirinyaga nchegoro kwa Daniel Omwaga.